Jewelers.
You're watching Community Roundup. Under the spiritual guidance and presence of Samani Parimal Pragyaji and Samani Maryada Pragyaji, Jain Vishwa Bharati Preksha Meditation Center, Houston, conducted its 15th annual 3-day family retreat camp in Belleville, Texas.
The Seema Govil at JBB Annual Family Camp. It's being held in the calm and serenic wooded faculty in Belleville, Texas. The theme this year is self-restraint, key to fulfill life. Families are so looking forward to get away from the daily chores and weekend routines.
Several participants from the greater Houston area, San Antonio and Austin came along to enjoy the calm and scenic surroundings while nurturing their soul through powerful discourses, yoga, meditation, and relaxation techniques. There were several interactive and learning sessions which included multiple lectures, presentations on meaningful topics like self-restraint, key to fulfill life.
Self-restraint means to control your strong desires, to control your desires, or I can say to limit your desires. So self-restraint is what actually to control and to limit your desires. Now it is how do you limit your desires and in what time do we limit our desires. So it is that we just practice some small resolutions in our day-to-day life so that we can give up some things in our life that are not wanted in our life at present. For example, as you can just give up that I shall not cut the trees, I shall not waste the materials whichever I am using in my day-to-day life unwantedly. I shall not possess many things which are not of my use, so that you can give the share of yours to others.
हम संबंधों की दुनिया में जीते हैं। यदि संबंधों को सफल बनाना है, सक्सेस बनाना है, तो इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन मस्ट है। क्योंकि कम्युनिकेशन के अभाव में, प्रॉपर कम्युनिकेशन के अभाव में हमारे रिलेशन अच्छे नहीं होंगे, और हमारे रिलेशन अच्छे नहीं होंगे तो हमारी ज़िंदगी खुशहाल नहीं होगी। यदि हमारी ज़िंदगी में मिठास भरना है तो कम्युनिकेशन के टूल को अपनाना होगा। कम्युनिकेशन कैसा हो? यदि हम जब भी हम बोले सोच के बोले, विवेकपूर्वक बोले और कम बोले, क्योंकि कम्युनिकेशन जो है वो एक ब्रिज का भी काम करता है, एक दीवार का भी काम करता है। इसलिए जब भी बोले ट्रिपल फिल्टर करके बोले। जब बोले तो भी वो सामने वाले व्यक्ति के लिए यूजफुल है या नहीं है, वो सच्चाई है, उसमें सच्चाई है या नहीं है, सामने वाले व्यक्ति को कहीं हर्ट तो ना करे। यदि ऐसा सोच करके बोलेंगे तो कम्युनिकेशन हमेशा इफेक्टिव रहेगा।
We have a lot of activities at the center. There are some weekly classes and schedules like meditation, yoga, swadhyay, and then there are special events and annual programs like we have this camp, we have our annual day, we have Paryushan, which is our main festival for 7 days, which is celebrated with a lot of zeal at the center. And plus also we have activities are conducted outside JVB at various homes, or somebody just travel to various cities, so that other people here can also utilize their presence and their knowledge.
Camp like this, Preksha Meditation Camp, which we have conducted here for 3 days, one of my friends pushed me to come over there. That 3 days camp done by, we had Samans and Samnis, so those times those two Samans were there who conducted the camp, and I had never seen that side of Jainism in my total life, and that gave a lot of things to me in 3 days. And I thought, if I can get benefited for 3 days so much in my life, why not work on building a center here in Houston so that the total community can get benefited, give us a lot of happiness, peace, and a lot of literature to read of Acharya Mahapragya Ji.
Houston camp, fairly similar to what we do at Orlando, but there are a few special things. I kind of liked it, the way this whole area is selected. I think in a natural setting, it's much better. It makes more sense for the spiritual camp. I think it's wonderful to have a camp in a place like this.
Ready, start. Okay, that's 3 marks. हर एक आइटम 3 मार्क करने का कोई बात नहीं। अभी नीचे झुकने का है, श्वास रोककर अभी ऊपर आ जाओ, एकदम हाथ नीचे रखो, सीधे। अगेन
I have been coming to this camp for like the past 4 years, and I haven't missed a single one. And why I really enjoy it is because the weather is really nice, especially when you do yoga, it feels really good.
What do you look forward to when you come here?
I'm learning new things and playing with all the new friends I meet.
I've been swinging a lot. I went canoeing, also played a lot of basketball with my friends here.
Today we learned about small vows. The small vows we talked about is like not eating after sunset, or not stepping on grass, or killing other animals on purpose. Because we learned about these small vows, we will now implement them in our daily lives.
So technically and logistically, we all know that we should be doing yoga, we should be doing stretches, pranayam, meditation on regular basis. But everyday life kicks in and we don't get around to it. How should we get inspiration to do these practices every day?
Well, I know the intention is there, but I can say this through the words of a famous poet. हमेशा देर कर देता हूँ मैं, कोई ज़रूरी बात कहनी हो, कोई वादा निभाना हो, किसी को बुलाना हो, हमेशा देर कर देता हूँ मैं, यार की मदद करनी हो, कोई धाड़स बढ़ाना हो, बहुत देरी से किसी को मिलने जाना हो, बहुत देर कर देता हूँ मैं. So please don't take any more time, get on your mats and have a wonderful routine so you can have a healthy, wealthy life.
Raise your hands inhaling. Take your right hand, place it on the left knee. Take the left hand behind you. Just sit in crisscross, not doing crossing. And look around the back side, your entire ribcage. Look over here.
JVB envisions a violent-free society, an individual in mind, communication and action that inspires the whole world towards sheer peace. JVB drives its inspiration from the universal message of Bhagwan Veera. This is Seema Govil in Belleville, Texas.
Now, a look at some community updates.